Yo, anybody pon the app over here, so pon the bumbuckler app over here, so on IG, we can build posters, DM me quick.
Trending and trending and trending. One more day again for the trending. People, guess what? Them knock out 41 Bossed. And here one Bossed shooter get caught on camera. So here one one more mystery this for solve in a less than maybe 2 weeks. See, Niah gone now Bossed. Words on the street, them a say Bossed involved in a Niah killing. Them say Bossed have something to do with Niah. Me not run with that story there yet because me no confirm that story there. But I just the word from the street and me a pass it by Uno. But Bossed and couple man in a place never good. Uno know how Moby is set. The man they want Bossed fi buy gunshot. But Bossed just a spend fee money round film dog them and a certain set of dog. So the man them plan for Bossed head before him birthday. The man them say Bossed I get hype. Especially from Nicki Minaj send him to Lion. Him feel like him there on top of the world. And the man them a go bust him head before him reach 24. Sad for know say another young youth lose him life. Sad for know say our next young youth lose him life. Just so. Gone down the drain like that. Not even get a youth yet. And gone down the drain. It's a second young man this. None of them never get a chance to live to 25. Niah a little baby boy. And Bossed, look pan them, they don't go look all but them young. But people watch them video and leave in the thoughts in the comment section. We have more phone trending and trending and trending.
Him no do the gun no me in a club and man violate him and he walk away. He walk away. But say that no bad man. Him a no bad man for true. Him calm. The truth the same for the life. I must say don't know him as a Marvin. Me know the Marvin. Me don't know the Bossed. Well, I don't know. I don't want him to the dinner. I don't take him. Why? I just want Bossed to see you. He doesn't know. He doesn't know. He doesn't nothing. He doesn't know. Bossed is not a bad man. I must say do him live. I do him live. I go. Lock up in a house. Rosites. I do him live. Just this little bit like if I no bad man, they are come. Go and left me a come. No. Him a no bad man. Him lock up in him house and him do it live. And that's all Marvin talk yesterday. Yeah, me and him talk. A Bossed uno know Bossed. Me no know Bossed. Me know Marvin and me can tell you I no bad man. I no bad boy Italian. I no bad boy. Him just we talk. I saw him talk. But with the gun and him a no bad boy. Him a no bad boy. How to keep that? No, let's keep it.
The world gone away. Yeah man, the youth jump out, but just share my thoughts. You see me, the youth a come from ear salon. Just go do him here. Go do him nails and him toenail him and him thing. Say him a pep up for tomorrow. And them out the youth. You get me? Bro, me still a say when I live to careless, bro. You get me? Because when the enemy dip on bro. On the know say yo, on the kind of mix up certain way, brother. On the still a left on the self careless. Bro, on a fear roll better than that, bro.
No, please, somebody let me say alive. lie. A lie. A lie.
Trending peeps, it really sad. It really sad, me I tell you now. Is the next young man lost them life just like that. You get me? But me still I send out a message to the next rest of TikTokers them. Something are going over TikTok. Wait, no right. Some sacrifice are going over there. It demon turn up over TikTok. TikTok are cause a whole heap of people to lose them life. People, take a look at pan.
Bad boy, man, I know bad boy, I don't give that. No, let me keep me and bring it come. Then them dream that, I know bad man for true. Yeah. Him a no bad man for true, him just calm. On the internet. With uno know bossed. A bossed uno know. Uno know bossed.
The thing is, with young people, them not take no heed. Them not learn from somebody else's mistake. So them end up come make the same mistake. You see me? Let me tell you how the garrison run. You see the garrison? You have to be careful, it's full of crab in a barrel. Yes, when people think say you come out of the barrel, you have to start move skeptic. You start make a little money, you know you got to think about rent a place and left the garrison. Because your friend them are the quickest thing for dirt you. Are the quickest thing for hurt you. And here one of my people, that case I go solve, you know. Because he get caught on camera. And the man them must set an example. The man them nasty up the youth face with bullet. Because the man them must set an example. Well, words on the street I say, him and some man mix up and have some altercation. So, a reprisal. You have to know what I do. No one I do TikTokers. No one I do.
Mr. Me know Marvin. Me know Marvin. Me no know Bossed. Bossed is a character to me. It's a character. Is a character to me. Bossed a character to me.
Yes, tomorrow and birthday.
Tomorrow birthday, and I said to me, want to come up Monday and me tell him to me have to work for the weekend and tomorrow birthday. Fucking day, bro. I be telling him to me have to come up. And he tell me when we are talk, when we just when we are talk for the phone, you know, he tell me say him not good. He tell me say now.
Yeah, as boss said, leave the hairdresser. The man them circle him and put it on him. A man I watch boss said the whole time because him go live. I show himself a hairdresser on Instagram. So that's why the man them follow him up and come boss him up. Boss up him head. Why if he boss him up there? But me telling you youth, too much live, too much selfie, too much pinning a location, bro. Bro, sometime on the post after on the left the spot. Bro, I know every part on the go on the post. I know everywhere on the there, bro. The man them are watching the youth, but only now watch them, but the enemy dep on the youth. And the man them nasty up your face, youth. The man them deal with their way, bro. Bro, I live too careless, bro. That's why me even deal with that video because I'm vexed. Bro, I see what happened to Niah. Even though them say your name called by Niah, bro, me not even to believe that, bro. You get to me and say, where you be here there? And Niah own friend them take him life, bro. But me I tell you something my boss said. Even though you're gone, youth, me hope your that be an example. For all of them look a Tictoker, yeah. Or the big one them who are talk up them mouth pan live. Badness pan phone and badness in a real life are two different badness. Because man I go take it to up on the street. And up on internet. Some real cocks out there. And bad mind, real youth. Trending and trending. Trending, fully trending.